Hello, and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX has only rallied in 3 waves, very similar to other coins. The structure on many of these altcoin charts looks very similar. We are dealing here on the AVAX chart with a possible 5-wave move down in the yellow ABC structure. So it could be that a wave C finished here. However, there is also another way of counting it, and this here would have been the count, had we seen a promising reaction to the support region. But as you can clearly see, the rally was only in 3 waves. So I will take that off now. I don't believe this count, and I said to you before, we need to see the 5 waves anyway first. And the 5-wave move would have, would need to reach like $30.58. But in 5 waves, but it's just struggling and it's still below the trend line, and we formed 3 waves and it's already breaking below support. That's why I always say we need to see those 5 waves. Until we see 5, we don't have a low in place. So I'd much rather think that, the low could be in, then we can say circle A topped here in 3 waves in December 23, A wave down, B wave up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That wave count is valid. Okay. Or if we get another low and I start to see that as more likely, because the market hasn't given us any bottoming signals, an A wave can also be 5 waves, so it could be wave A or 1. Then obviously this here is some kind of an ABC structure. There was no overshooting B wave, but A wave down, B wave up, and now we just watch for further downside. The problem is this structure is quite ugly. I will explain why. So if we say this is an ABC, the problem is for the C wave I would need a 5-wave move. So this can't really be the 1, 2, or the entire move would go down to low, which is possible, but then it would not be within the scope of this scenario. So something I'm considering is actually a WXY structure, or even a WXYXZ. But that is, of course, again, a scenario that I don't like to use it. So WX, and then here YXZ, because this looks then more like a 5-wave move down, but it is a possible scenario because the wave W is 3 waves, 3 waves, 3 waves in Y as well, 3 waves here, and then we get 3 waves down in this move, and it would be an ABC structure. A, B, C. Each of these waves within the WXYXZ structure is a 3-wave move. So we are watching for a B wave bounce at some point. There is a standard resistance area I can add, and it is here between the 50% and the 78.6 FIB level. So this is going to be standard resistance. Only a break above this resistance zone will make me really consider something more directly bullish. And resistance is between $23.92 and $26.20. So at the moment, possible B wave bounce from here somewhere, maybe. But anything more bullish, possible, but needs to prove itself. So we need to see that break above resistance followed by a 5-wave move up. For now, I think one more low is highly likely. At least I'd say we should test 1696. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.